reaction of bases with non-metallic oxides. Now in the previous video what we have seen is, we have seen the reaction of an acid with a metallic oxide. What we have seen is, we have seen the reaction of an acid with a metallic oxide, and what we saw was that why acids react with metallic oxides. Acids, they react with metallic oxides because metallic oxides, they are actually bases. metallic oxides जो हैं वो actually bases होते हैं जिनके साथ acid react करके salt और water produce करते हैं. ये किस तरह का reaction है जिसमें acid और base आपस में react कर रहे हैं salt और water produce करने के लिए? This kind of reaction is called as a neutralization, which we have already, it is called as a neutralization reaction, which we have already covered. So just like this, just like acid is reacting with the basic metallic oxide to produce salt and water, similarly what we have seen is that non-metallic oxides, they are acidic, right? It is the opposite. metallic oxides basic होती हैं और non-metallic oxides acidic होती हैं, right? तो जैसे बेसिक मेटालिक ऑक्साइड्स एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट करके सॉल्ट और वाटर प्रोड्यूस कर रही हैं, ऐसे ही एसिडिक नॉन मेटालिक ऑक्साइड्स बेस के साथ रिएक्ट करके सॉल्ट और वाटर प्रोड्यूस करेंगी. दोनों ही रिएक्शंस में यू कैन सी इन बोथ द रिएक्शंस एसिड एंड बेस आर रिएक्टिंग टू प्रोड्यूस सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन इज, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रिएक्शन इज दिस? This is called as the neutralization reaction, in which a neutral compound, usually a neutral compound, not always, is formed by the reaction of an acid and a base, right? Now the example of a metallic oxide that we have done in the previous video is MgO. metallic oxide का हमने क्या example पढ़ा है? magnesium oxide. Similarly नॉन मेटालिक ऑक्साइड का आप क्या एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, विच इज द ऑक्साइड ऑफ कार्बन, एंड यू नो दैट कार्बन इज अ नॉन मेटल. कार्बन हम सबको पता है मेटल तो नहीं होता, इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ नॉन मेटल, राइट? नाउ व्हेन कार्बन इज अ नॉन मेटल, तो अगर उसके साथ बेटे ऑक्सीजन लग जाए, then in that case the oxide of carbon will be called as a non-metallic oxide. So this is your non-metallic oxide. Right? Now when non-metallic oxides, what we have seen is they are acidic by nature. What we have seen is that they are acidic by nature. When they are acidic by nature, they can react with bases to form salt and water. क्योंकि ये acidic होती हैं तो ये base के साथ react करके फिर salt और water produce कर सकती हैं according to neutralization reaction. So let me take the example of a reaction where I am using my non-metallic oxide as the acid, and let me take the base as NaOH, sodium hydroxide, right? The salt that will be produced will be sodium carbonate, and you know along with the salt the second compound which is formed is water. Okay, so this is your salt and this is your base. You can learn one more example in which the carbon dioxide, which is my acid, is reacting with another base, calcium hydroxide. We have seen that calcium hydroxide is also a base. It will again react to produce salt plus water, right? So what will be the salt this time? In the previous one it was sodium carbonate because we had used sodium hydroxide as the base. Now we are using calcium hydroxide as the base, so your salt will be calcium carbonate. Fine, this is your salt. So what do we infer? That non-metallic oxides, they are acidic in nature and hence they react with bases. Both these, carbon dioxide, it is acidic in nature, hence it will react with a base to give you salt and water. Similarly, metallic oxides, they are basic in nature, so they will react with acids to produce salt and water.